Today I am going to teach you how to steam some chicken. It's super easy, guys. Start heating up your wok or pan or whatever you use to steam your food. Now it's time to prep the chicken by washing the chicken inside and out. Here I have a whole chicken that is about 2 pounds here. Dry the chicken with some paper towels as much as possible. Don't forget the inside. Once the chicken is dry, we can go ahead and give it a little salt bath. Add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt inside of the chicken. Make sure to spread out the salt all around. Depending on how large your chicken is, you can add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and give it a rub all around the outside. Make sure to get into all of those crevices. It's almost ready to steam. Just go ahead and add the chicken to a plate, then add 1 tablespoon of white cooking wine of your choice. Here I have used rice cooking wine. Don't forget to add a few ginger pieces on top of the chicken. Now that the water is boiling, we'll go ahead and steam the chicken. Add your chicken and just set the timer for 23 minutes. We want to see if the juice on the outside is a bit more translucent. It looks like it's not, so we're going to give it another 2 minutes here. Now let's set aside the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to leave the covered because it is still cooking at this point and we want it to cool off a bit. You can use foil if you don't have anything else to cover up this guy. Woo! Okay, everything is done now. Wasn't that so simple? Oh yeah, don't forget to chop, serve, and plate. Eat it with some rice or some veggies. And now try it and make it on your own. This is a healthy, delicious, simple way to cook your chicken. Don't forget to share some love by giving this video a like and or sub if you like this content. Thanks, guys.